10 minutes waiting time. Feeling na malapit na kayong pumasok para sa rides. Taas. May pila pa doon. So tingnan mo yung sa likod. Sobrang daming tao guys. Hindi wala kang makikita all over. The fog is so thick. But it's the moment you're enjoying. Ayan na sila. Yung mga zombie. Pasok na tayo guys. No pushing. No pushing, please. Walang view. Walang view. Kasi ano? I love you lang. I love you lang daw. Oh, ito yung view ba to? Ito yung view. Oh. Walang takot yan. Imagine how steep. Dito na tayo. That was a 3-minute ride, guys. It was a 3-minute ride only. Guys. Oh my God. Dito ko sa mayan, Telo. Ano ako? Guys, the sun is up, guys. Look at that. There's the summit.